what's happening? It's so noisy there. I can't listen to it. And what's Sushmita's expression?
Yes, please
Okay,
see.
She seems to be in a good mood. Hey, Nipa, what do you think?
Yes, Aunt Sushmita seems impressed by Mithai.
Yes, you're right.
And Siddharth seems to be in trouble. Good for him.
All right, everybody, please keep quiet. Please tell me what's happening there.
Hey, brother Rajiv, what's the proposal?
Yes, guitar.
Guitar. What guitar? Why guitar?
Come on, bring your guitar.
Why you want the guitar?
On this auspicious occasion, all of us will dedicate songs to our wives. Doesn't matter it's solo or chorus.
Yes.
Ratul, but except Siddharth. Today, he is going to do the needful.
Nice. Great. I'll just bring it.
Yes, go.
Oh, it happened again.
He's saying done again. What has happened?
What?
Brother Siddharth is going to sing for Mithai.
What?
What?
Yes. Dad, can you imagine?
Hey, Shri, see Siddharth's
Yes,
face.
please see.
Ah!
Hey!
Sulata.
Rajiv, I am not a singer.
Hey, brother Rajiv, what are you saying?
He's right. Newly wedded groom should sing for the bride, right?
You do sing well, I know. And Mithai knows that too. Your humming on the first night did catch our ears.
Oh, Rajiv is the best. I just can't imagine Rajiv would dare to trap Sid this way.
Hey, Sidhi, hold the guitar.
Why are you doing this?
No excuses, Sid. Sing something romantic to convince my mom. Please, Siddharth, come on. You've already done so much. Please do this too, okay?
But one song only.
Yes, absolutely enough. Just start.
Hey, Sandy!
Wait. Hey, Shri,
Yes.
my heart is beating so fast. Where's Tosha? If she finds out, then she'll create a ruckus.
What? You always speak nonsense. Sid, you have you gone? No. What? What is this? Why did you hang up the call? What is Sid doing? Tell me. Sid doesn't accept Mithai as a wife at all. And you, how can you allow this to happen? Listen, whatever y'all are doing just because Nipa's alliance has broken, what if once Aunt Sushmita finds out, she will call off the wedding? I'll speak to Uncle Samresh. Torsha!
Mithai, did you get that? What Sid just sang now? Didn't you understand a bit? Listen, that song was too romantic. An old number. Tell me, what do you think of him now?
Sister Nanda, my stomach feels like empty. See, my hands are sweating and I feel palpitations. What are all these? I never felt this way before.
I think that song has hit you hard.
Oh Lord, that man is not of my own. Then why is that song making me feel this way? It never happened to me before. I will feel a pain in my heart.
Okay, Siddharth, I would like to know whether you eat red meat. You're so health conscious. Thought I should ask.
No, it's okay. As in once in a while.
Yes, just for one day. Exactly. Listen, Sid, tell me something. How can you control yourself? I can't stick to my regime when I'm in India. And if Rajiv is here, I have no hope. And this is not my fault.
Wow. Now, is this my fault? Huh? How many times you will pass the blame on to me?
No, what did I say?
Leave it. No point. I need to be cautious in the future. Can't miss sweets made by Mithai. Eh, What's the matter? Where is she lost like this? Tell me.
What? No. Who?
Siddharth, how's the food?
Aunt, it's superb. In fact, superb is an understatement. Nanda, you cooked it, am I right? You did inherit Aunt's talent.
Oh my lord, you know all these? Have you ever tried our cooking?
Sid is actually having a plate full, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, and he's doing all this to fix the wedding of Ratul and Nipa. Am I right, Siddharth? If you don't like the food, don't eat it, please.
No, Aunt, it's nothing like that. The thing is, I speak really less and people mistake me as a rude person. Actually, Nanda cooks for me on the festival and I try all those dishes, but she doesn't know. She thinks I never try her dishes.
But say it. One thing is certain. You are not a food lover, so you missed the detail of this mutton dish. But I did figure out just having one bite. My wife hasn't cooked this dish.
No? Oh, Aunt cooked it then, right?
No, she's too busy cooking intensely. Is it mithai then? Mithai, I knew that you make some delicious sweets, but I didn't know you cook mutton so well. It tastes awesome, seriously. Very nice.
Yes, Uncle Sanatan of my hometown, Janai, used to call me for his help. I learned from him.
So, Sid, you won't have to wait for family occasions to eat good food. You'll get delicious dishes every day. Listen, do something. Now you dine with the others at home. Tell me, Mithai, do you know about Sid's favorite food?
I know a little.
Tell us what all does Siddharth like?
I told you, strong and bitter tea, cereal, and soup. And today I came to know that he also like mutton curry. I mean Siddharth. What is the
What
matter,
happened?
brother Rajiv?
Drink.
some water.
Have
Go
water.
slow.
Have water.
Rajiv and slow. Seems two opposite poles.
Actually, Mr. became him. Couldn't gulp that down.
Brother Rajiv.
This girl is so respectful. Nowadays, girls hardly show such respect.
Yes, you're right. Those are bygone days, Sushmita.
Oh no, forgot to bring Indian pickle. I'll go and fetch right now.
Wait. She is such a workaholic. I'll go.
I agree. Mithai's hands do itch for work. Just
Wait
wait
here.
here.
Siddharth, everyone here is praising your wife. You must say something.
Brother Rajiv, can't you spare me or what? Pull Ratul's leg about Nipa, they will enjoy. I'm sure about it. Aunt, I was saying that you didn't say anything about the wedding.
Nothing to say. Watch her expressions, you'll get it. Sister Nipa will be her daughter. Am I right, Aunt?
A girl who has a sister-in-law like you can never be a bad girl. Mithai, I will talk to your grandpa. I will do the engagement soon.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
You go home and tell this to everyone.
Yes.
Congratulations, Ratul. My sister is very happy. Please try to maintain that.
I'll absolutely try, Sid.
Brother Ratul, you are saying try? I know you will treat her like a queen. The Lord will bless you, brother. I'll tell him to do so. Yes.
Okay, listen, Siddharth. I won't let you slip away after lunch. Yes, I need to learn from Mithai how to make sweets. I can learn only after lunch, right?
Hey, Mom, you can learn what you want to. They'll always be together. Yes, you can learn.
Dad, have you noticed something? The elder son-in-law has no chance to talk. The new son-in-law, Ratul, is being a chatterbox. Mithai, come here.
Yes, tell me.
I want Ratul's share of your sweet. And that's final. I don't want to hear anything.
Chutney is here. Chutney.
Yes, there it is.
Yes, serve
Yes,
that
give
first.
it to Dad.
Oh, Mr. Bittergut smiles too. He looks better when he smiles. Why doesn't he smile?
Why was that girl looking at me? I hope she's not taking this husband and wife role way too seriously. Need to clarify on our way back.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you for bringing Mithai over to our place. And you'll accept this that she managed things very well. And I must thank you for this too. My younger brother Ratul is truly in love with Nipa.
Brother Rajiv, you have to say all this. Come on.
Oh, yes. Whatever Brother Rajiv is saying, that's true. Everyone knows about it. Sister Nipa also. Sister Nipa was crying heavily. Okay, one thing, Brother Ratul. Please come once to our house. Please meet Sister Nipa soon.
Okay, so Rajiv, we must leave now. And thank you for the lunch.
Oh, please, Siddharth. Nothing to thank me about. I'd be more happy to host you for lunch or for dinner. You are too stuffed with manners and etiquettes. I just can't say anything. Mithai, Listen, do tell others at home that I'll be out of town for a while. I'll see you all after I'm back. But yes, you don't have to wait for his company. Come to our place whenever you want to, okay?
Yes, of course. You people are so good, so nice. Your mother is a gem of a person. All are so good.
You're really a nice human being, Mithai. And I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. And what do you say? Thank you? So thank you for solving all the problems.
We'll see you soon then.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Take care. Give me a call when you reach home. Mithai, do come again.
I will surely come. Thank you.
Okay,
Tata.
bye. Yes. Bye-bye.
Tata,
See you
tata.
soon.
Bye.
Bye. Come, Ratul. Let's go inside.
Feeling so bad, brother Rajiv.
But for what?
Siddharth was actually acting like a husband.
Ratul, Mom thinks that by doing all these things, Siddharth will understand Mithai's true worth. And one more thing, no one should get to know that Mom got softened before their visit. And also the fact that we also took part in the act to make Sid comfortable with Mithai. Siddharth will get angry if he gets to know. Keep that in mind. Come.
You've already learned then.
What? Oh, yes. My father used to say, Mithai picks up too quickly, on first attempt only. You know, I have learned on first attempt all the sweets my father used to make. But this road, it's not the way home. Where are we going?
Listen, Mithai,
Yes.
what I need to speak to you is something I can't really talk at home and also not while driving. So let me find a parking space and park the car.
Brother? Brother? Brother, please buy this rose flower. Only one is left. Buy it for your wife.
I don't need these.
Please buy it. Only one is left. Please buy it.
Here, you keep this. I don't need the roses.
No, not done. Why won't you take the flowers? That's an insult. Listen, you can't just throw money on me like this. Even the poor have some honor. Do you understand?
You do something, you give me all the roses and you keep this money.
May you both always stay happy. Bye, brother. Bye, sister.
He just rushed away. Absurd.
He is scared, like someone may snatch the money. You know what? 500 rupees is a big deal for him. When I was running my business, I used to observe them.
Hey, where are you going?
Just
Mithai.
a moment. Just a moment. Hey, uncle, take these. Keep these flowers. Please hold and smell the fragrance. You will feel very nice. Uh,
Are you crazy or something?
no, Mr. Siddharth, I am not. You see, people always throw money at him. At least once he got some roses, he will feel good. You know, money can't buy everything. Anyway, tell me what you want to say.
Look, Mithai, the way we spent time at Rajiv's place, whatever we did in front of Aunt, all these are, all of this, I mean,
Lies. It was false. Hey, Mr. Siddharth, I'm not that fool, you know. Now I think you should start the car. Sister Neepa and the others are waiting for us.
thank you.
What?
Listen, don't frown. You understood well, and hence I'm saying a thank you. Now keep mum, we are going home. Crazy woman. What's happening?
What's the matter? Oh, again that red car. That's why I told you to take my bicycle.
Just keep quiet. What the? My phone battery is drained too. I don't even have a power bank or a car charger. Suddenly everything is out of control. Are you carrying your mobile?
What? Oh, phone? No.
Of course. That common sense is really uncommon these days. Ridiculous.